In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add alt text to your Instagram posts. First, click at the top right, then posts. Choose your media. Next. Scroll all the way down and click more options. Scroll all the way down and click write alt text. And here, as you can see, you can write the alt text. So it says describe your photo for people with visual impairments. So how to write, okay, here let's say a lion, and the alt text will help them know that this is a lion. So this is the alt text. I click done and that's it. Now I can post the video with the alt text. Now make sure to leave a like and subscribe.